Local news for Tuesday the 16th of June. Labour list MP Kira McAnulty has received a boost after Labour Party rankings. Ranked 38 in 2017, he's jumped to number 28 on the list. The Provincial Growth Fund is providing $60 million to councils and KiwiRail to create employment for local workers right across New Zealand. Regional Economic Development Minister Shane Jones says $1 million has been allocated as well for Wairarapa tree removal and maintenance on high-risk roads, creating 10 jobs. And police have arrested one person in relation to an aggravated burglary at a property in Frederick Street, Carterton on the 13th of June. The arrest was made after police conducted a search warrant at a residential address and recovered items that were stolen in the robbery at the property alongside the firearm. Detective Senior Sergeant Barry Bysouth says it's diligent police work in both Wairarapa and the Hutt Valley that led to the arrest. A 30-year-old man is due to appear in the Hutt Valley District Court today and charged with aggravated robbery and unlawfully carrying a firearm. And finally in sport, the Dalfair women's side scored a huge win on the weekend, beating Kapiti 10-0, while the men had a 6-0 win over Indians. Scoring for the women, Abby Crawley picked up a hat-trick alongside Abby Johnston and Fliss Reedy, who also added doubles. For local news and sport, kia ora, I'm Brent Gare.